In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel sheet into a PDF. First, you want to go to smallpdf.com, locate this lime tile in the middle, which says Excel to PDF. Click that. Now you drag and drop your Excel file into here. It now uploads it, converts it online. We have to wait until that's done. It's a rather large Excel sheet, so might. And there it is. We've converted it to a PDF. Several pages, 135. We could now download it, but that's a bit too large, so I won't do it. If this helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.